Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about a Batman figure. So, without too much further ado, let's take a look at it. I haven't had a look at the actual thing yet. I've still got it in this package here. So let's finish ripping open the package. Okay. This is the back of the package, and yep, a slight issue here is the size of the bloody thing. Okay, DC Comics Multiverse. Collect all 6 figures to build Steppenwolf. So there's the mighty Steppenwolf, Wonder Woman, Cyborg, Aquaman, The Flash, Batman. So we'll be getting a closer look at him in a minute, and Superman. Okay. Yes, I've seen figures in the shops which I thought might be what I was getting in the post, if you know what I mean, but this is a different type of box, but then again it came from America, so... Okay, let's turn it around and have a look. Oh, there's a side image of Ben Affleck. It should be. Looks quite... be hard to recognise Ben Affleck if you didn't know it was him who played Batman, in my opinion. Chin, double chin, bum chin. Yeah, not a double chin. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Just take that away, hopefully no identifying. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yeah, I saw these figures in a shop and they were much smaller than this, and I was thinking, oh, I thought it was a bit bigger. But yeah, this looks pretty good. Sorry about the zoomed in nature of this video. Bit of a teething issue, you could say. DC, Justice League. Getting this camera to focus on stuff. Steppenwolf. Nice. So there's a Steppenwolf thing. What is it? Sorry, I should look through the viewfinder at all times instead of his chest. Yeah, 2 is Batman, 2 is the kind of torso area. Very good. Okay. So there's your package. It was advertised as a 6-inch figure, I believe, so yeah, looking pretty good. I'm not sure what size the ones in the shops were, maybe 4-inch or something, very skinny looking. Excellent. Okay, we shall be opening this very soon with a large knife. Cool. Probably, this is a quite easy opening thing, so forgive my amateur antics here. There's a bit of tape. Knife is going to be coming onto your screen now in a second. There it is. Okay. Hey, nearly cut my thumb off. Haha. It's not a very sharp knife. The tip of it's quite sharp, right? Resale value going down. There wasn't. It was quite good value actually at the time of this video being made, and I utilised a voucher as well. So okay, some of that's probably off camera. Perhaps I'll get a camera person at some stage. Here we go. So the inner packaging. Oh, hey! The Steppenwolf torso. A bit more clearly visible. And here he is. Quite liking this so far. Oh, that's got a nice cape there. Well, a bit of a thin cape. Okay. Quite impressed with first impressions anyway. Hey. Batman figure is coming. I am Ben Affleck. There was supposed to be a individual film, wasn't there? Okay, there was Batman vs Superman. Then there was a Justice League film or two. I saw the first one. Maybe there's no sequel. I didn't do my background research too much. And yeah, I heard there was supposed to be a dedicated Batman film, which would have been interesting, with Jeremy Irons as Alfred and all that, but didn't seem to happen anyway. I suppose there has been a lot of Batman films. Then again, there's a lot of Spider-Man films. You may have noticed. A few Fantastic Fours. Sorry, yeah, don't mind me. I was just kind of trying to get the Steppenwolf bit out as well. Here we go. So that's your packaging backdrop. That's, what does that mean? Is it? I was going to say Justice League. It looks like a one. I don't know. Yeah, not very up to speed with some of this stuff. Okay. Right. Let's have another look at Batman then. Okay. He's got a nice kind of teal look. Well, on the camera he looks quite teal. In real life, in this lighting, it's more like a charcoal-y, slight blue elements to his kind of armoured costume. Nice. A pleasing combination of colours, anyway. There's his boot. Yeah. Some goggles going on there. I thought the ears were quite small when I saw the photographs of the figure online, but kind of on camera they're showing up as fairly big, quite swept far back on the head compared to some other Batman styles, Batman costumes. Cool. Side view, armoured arm and leg, shoe. Go around to the back. There's your cape. Yeah, quite a thin cape. I remember some people were complaining about on reviews online, kind of the wrinkling around here. I think there, you can see a bit of that, alright. I know people tend to say, oh, it'll, you know, work itself out or whatever. Doesn't always happen. So I could probably ignore that now. Cape. It's okay, feels okay. Feels a bit different on the inside. Shinier on the outside. Got some corrugated looking ends to it there. Curling up a bit. Yeah. Right. Let's lift the cape. And yeah. Got some writing there, do we? Oops, sorry. My camera work is a bit amateurish. Is that right? Okay, I'll read it with my eyes. 2017, Mattel. An address. NL. What state is that, if it is a state? Netherlands, even? I don't know. Can't think of my American states right now. New Jersey, obviously. NL. Right. Articulation. So, if he's doing his arm raises, lateral, I forget those terms from weightlifting. Oop, we're losing focus. Yeah, so not a huge amount of articulation there. Can't really bend his elbow much. It's quite stiff. Bend it so it's not really 90 degree or anything. Straightens out pretty straight. almost excessively straight, you could say. And, but yeah, not a proper... yeah, so you can't really do kung fu poses or boxing poses that well, can you? Depends. Focus, damn you. Focus. You aging camera. Oh, I hope I turned on the... Let's just pause for 1 second.